Most people agree that parents, and not the government, are best suited to raise their children and make crucial decisions in their lives. But a dangerous movement is underway. Within the courts of the United States and through the use of international law, parental rights are being challenged and gradually undermined. The parental rights we so often take for granted are coming under attack.
Hi, I'm Mike Ferris. I've been defending parental rights in the court for over 30 years. I've seen a lot of problems, and so have you. We've seen the California Court of Appeals recently say that parents don't have the constitutional right to homeschool their children. We've seen the Supreme Court of Washington years ago say that if parents ground their children for taking illegal drugs, the state can remove custody, even though the rules are reasonable and the method of enforcement is reasonable. I even tried a case where parents lost custody of their child unless they would agree to not take their child to church on 3 services a week, but cut back to 1 service a week. No hints of abuse or neglect, just simply too much church in the opinion of the judge. There's a perfect storm coming. Parental rights are being threatened by liberal judges and sometimes even conservative judges who believe that only those rights that are actually in the text of the Constitution can be protected. We also see the threat of international law. If the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child becomes the law in this country, every parent in this country will lose their ability to make judgments for their child unless the government agrees with the judgments that the parent is making. This and many other threats to our parental rights will be solved only by the adoption of an amendment to the United States Constitution that explicitly protects the right of parents to direct the upbringing and education of their children. This stops international law. This stops the judges from going down the slippery slope of liberalism. It prevents the erosion of our traditions, of our families, and our self-government. Of all the battles that we've been in together to stand up for the right of parents, this is the most important and the most difficult. But if we stand together, if all of us join together and raise our voices, Congress will respond. I need you to go to parentalrights.org. Sign up today to become a citizen co-sponsor. And then when called upon, call your senators, call your members of Congress, and urge them to support the Parental Rights Amendment. We need to stand together because it's not just for us, not just for this generation, but for generations to come.
Visit parentalrights.org today to join with citizens across the nation in seeking to protect and preserve parental rights.